Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this OriHea Color Light Blackhead remover. I guess the model type is OH-BR03. It's listed on Amazon currently for a really low price. I mean, this is a huge set and it comes at such low price. Everybody can afford that. I was almost shocked to see how low the price is. The listing says Blackhead remover, Pore vacuum cleaner, Blackhead vacuum, rechargeable face vacuum, and so on. A lot of things, and it has really a lot of functions, comes with a lot of different accessories. Here we have the box. Here we have confirmation about the model type. It's rechargeable. 450 milliamps. I think there is no website, but at least there is some support email here. So let's open the box and see what we get. So that's the set here, nicely protected inside here. So this small device, so you can take it everywhere, also vacation, travel and so on. Here we get some replacement tips, and I think we get also some replacement seals. And we get also these nice tools which can help you in case you need that and you're not successful alone with this thing here. So let's see the tips. Maybe there are different sizes, different shape. You can see there are different shape and sizes, so they fit to your needs perfectly. And here on the back side we have these replacement things. We have 10 sponge, of course. There has to be something to pick up the dirt, and we have also these replacement seals if needed, and we have already one tip on here. You can see the seals. I'm not sure if there are seals. Yeah, we have already two of the seals installed. They are a little bit difficult to see because they have the same color as the rest, and there's also a sponge already inside. And regarding the tools, you can see they are real metal. The really sharp ones are protected additionally with a little bit of soft plastic. That's really good. So I'm taking this thing here to see if we can grab this sponge here, and you can see how this looks. So we have the vacuum here. We have to put the sponge. Yeah, now it's jumping away, but it's actually not difficult to push it inside. So it's there and collecting all the dirt. I don't know if it's washable. I'm checking the whole instruction manual. I'm going to charge and then I'm trying the thing out. So I've plugged it in for charging. You can see this battery indicator lights, and while it's charging I'm going to show you the full instruction manual to give you the chance to make a better buy decision, or if you bought used or you lost the instructions, just make sure you go into the highest resolution 1080p, put in pause on every page. You should have enough time to read everything. So charging is now finished. You can see these 3 bars. We can remove this thing, and now we have to select a tip. Yeah, I take a larger one here to show you that. To make sure that it sits nicely, and then to turn on we just push once here short, and then it goes back to the last settings. And so with every push we can cycle through the different speeds or different strengths here, and you can see, let's say on level 1 it has already quite some vacuum power, and if we go on level 5 you can see there's quite some pulling here, so it definitely can do something. Yeah, turn this thing off, and I'm trying now the different colors. With a short push we can cycle through the different colors. You can see the red, the green and the blue. They have different wavelengths, and so they are doing different action. You find the information in the instructions manual. The different colors we can use with the vacuum power or without, but I highly recommend of course to use it without, so you can use it longer, but we can still activate it if you like that at the same time. And if we press long, it goes into the heating mode. You can see this indicated here, and so it starts heating up here on the side or on the back, and it really doesn't take long, just a couple of seconds, maybe 5-10 seconds, and then you can already feel the heat. There's quite some heat here, but it's still comfortable. It doesn't burn you, but it's already quite warm, and I think this can definitely help you I turn this off. I guess it's using a lot of power. Yeah, by the way, regarding the charge, what I found out, I mean, we have this 450 milliamps and it's charging, or it was charging here with 0.4 amps. That means that the charging time will just be a little bit above 1 hour. They are stating 2 hours, but maybe it's even a little bit faster. The usage time, yeah, I would say when we see this 1.32 watts and when we do the math with about 2 watt hours, so yeah, we can definitely assume that it's working about for 1.5 hours, and this is also what they are stating in the instruction manual. So I'm going to test this now in real life on my skin, and I'm trying to find out if it really can collect some dirt or whatever it can do. So I've been using and trying this device for about 10 minutes or so, and there are some things which I have found. I mean, first thing, you have to be really careful with these seals here. You can see you can remove these things or move them around very easily, and then you don't have a proper seal anymore, and then there's no good vacuuming effect or vacuum effect anymore. But usually if you are applying this thing with a little bit of rotation or so, you shouldn't have any problem, and you can definitely achieve a very, very strong vacuum effect. Some people have been saying in the reviews there is not much vacuuming effect, or not much vacuum, no strong vacuum. Yeah, it's definitely not the case, especially on level 5. It can be really insane, I can tell you, especially in the face, especially if you're maybe sweating and maybe having a little bit of greasy or oily skin or so. This can produce an absolutely crazy vacuum effect with this thing, also with this size, probably with all the other size. I've just tried with the largest and the smallest one, and the vacuum effect is absolutely phenomenal. With both of them, I haven't been expecting this. So on the other hand, how effective has been the whole procedure? Yeah, I would say it hasn't been effective. I mean, I have been going to the absolute limit where the skin started to turn red, and I can tell you, you have to be really careful. Don't underestimate the power of this thing. Don't overdo, especially not before you have a really important appointment or so. This can leave definitely some nasty marks in your face. I mean, this won't be like scars or so, but some redness which can stay for a couple of hours or even days or so till it returns back to normal. I can tell you have to be really careful. So it's really strong, but it hasn't been doing anything. I mean, it hasn't been removing any of the blackheads. I've been already inspecting this thing here, this filter or sponge. I've even been inspecting this thing with the magnifying glass on almost every angle. I mean, yeah, it's a little bit difficult behind the camera, but I can tell you I've been inspecting both sides everywhere, and there was nothing to find. So either it's my skin or it's not effective. I mean, the reviews are a little bit mixed. I don't know if it's working with other people. Maybe if you're younger, maybe you have a little bit more flexible skin or so, this could work. I cannot give you any warranty on that. I can just tell you it is very strong, so it's definitely not a scam or so. It's not like that it's not working or not producing the strong vacuum, but probably it's still not enough to just make these blackheads fly out of your skin and collect here inside, unfortunately. I mean, overall, the value of the whole packaging, definitely very cheap, very attractive price. Efficiency, not so much, definitely not for me. It could be still worth a try. I mean, it's definitely not much money, definitely not at the moment. So I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.